Might be the only video we get of this. Today's April 10th, 2010. We got Steve Crash Jacobson.
Yeah, all right. Man, you had me go. I couldn't remember.
There he is, pilot in charge today. Hey, hi, how are you? This is the what is this? A AT-6 Texan?
It is.
AT-10, AT-6 Texan. Okay, let's talk about the plane. Oh, let's check out the flaps. Hang on. Fowler flaps, ladies and gentlemen. Fowler. All right. Oh yeah, nice. Up. Whoa, stop. Let's talk about this first. Okay, who makes this airplane?
I did.
Yeah, but okay. What kind of motor you got in this thing?
Big one.
Big one.
32. It's made by E-Flite.
E-Flite. This is E-Flite. Oh, E-Flite. What kind of battery you got in this thing?
4-cell.
4-cell?
5,000.
5,000? How what about the ESC? How big?
I got 60.
60 amp.
60 amp.
And we got retracts. We got Fowler flaps, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's see some taxi. Let's see a little. Let's get it up on step, huh? Yeah, go that way. Go that way. Something sounds loose.
It's got lights in it.
Oh, turn the lights on.
No, they're not on yet.
Oh, they're not on yet.
Too light out.
Go over there where it's nice and smooth. Yeah, right.
Where is it, Nigel?
Right over there. Well, smoother. Yeah, go down and bring it over this way. Hey, get it up on a step, Steve, at least. Don't take off, but just bring the tail up. See how it works. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the maiden taxi. Oh, look at the flaps. The Fowler flaps. Okay, give us some juice. Give us some juice. Come on, give us some juice to get it up. There you go. Come on.
No.
Come on, all you gotta do.
I'll have to put it in the air.
Oh, come on, you can do it.
Once you get committed.
Don't get. Oh, you got plenty of runway. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Built in 1952 for the Korean War. Flew I don't know how many sorties. Oh, what the heck was that? Oh,
That's Mama.
he's ringing. Hello.
Hello, Mama.
Hello. Can't you see I'm in the middle of flying? What are you calling me for? This better be good.
Right.
Yeah,
Good timing.
yeah, great timing. I'm in the middle of flying.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah. Okay, hang up. I gotta fly.
Did you want to say anything else? Nothing. I got a guy videotaping me up my new airplane.
Yeah, come on. We're wasting tape. Go, come on. Roll it. We want video of the plane. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Orlando, Florida, and that is a fashion statement. All right, come on. Let's go, man.
Edit that damn thing. I wanted to see how the thrust on this thing. This is a different propeller.
Hey, let's have Owen hold it, and let's see what kind of thrust it is.
Yeah, hold this on.
Hold it, Owen.
There is no easy place to hold it.
Hold it, Owen.
Right here. For what?
We're gonna test the thrust.
What the hell are you doing?
Watch your head. You're gonna get
What
buzzed.
are you gonna do?
He's
Turn it
gonna full throttle it, baby. He's gonna feel how much he's got.
It's spongy.
Spongy.
We'll find out.
Spongy.
Only a 32.
All right, hit. Whoa. Hit the retract. Oh, here we go.
That's good. Just hand toss it while you have it
Yeah.
That's more than 1 to 1.
1 to 1, ladies and gentlemen.
pretty good.
1 to 1. Come on, taxi.
No es the Armada. May stay in one piece.
That's it, Steve. That's it.
Cut.
All right, beautiful, and cut.
No, I'm buying them though. I'm gonna buy them. I'm gonna buy the Bonanza. I want to do it with the V-tail.
Watch out. Move.
You're gonna take your snout off.
Move, yes.
This will do it. Does he go near the props or not?
Not.
He'll only go once. Go ahead.
No, that'll take his snout off.
Yeah, he'll learn.
You put lights in it too?
Yeah, I got lights in it. I'm not done. I got to put belly lights in it. Those are wing lights, but they're not lit. They're not. They work already. I'll take it apart and show it to you.
It's so perfect. My elevator's about to come off.
That looks good, man. Look at those flaps. That is cool.
That's front cool.
They're just item.
Oh wow.
I love that.
Yeah, that is cool.
And actually, you could probably make a better one.
That's a good shot.
Because the rudder and the elevator are not really big enough. They're not. You need surface one.
Let me show you what I got in the wing.